Hello bachcho, let us read the question first. And the question is, a plain glass is kept over a colored word VIBGYOR, and where the color of letters as same as the colors in white light start by letter, and the letter which appears the least raised is, and options are given as R, O, Y, B. So to solve this question, first we'll write some key concept here. Concept is the formula that we know. So mu, refractive index of any medium, can be calculated as by using the C by V. We know that the C is the velocity of the light and the V is the velocity in any other mediums. Okay, so we'll use this formula to solve this shit further. So here we know that the mu is equal to C by V, and we know that the V is equal to N into lambda. Okay, so where n is the frequency and the lambda is wavelength and the v is the velocity in that medium. Okay, so here I will write something like n is nothing but the frequency. Is frequency and the lambda is wavelength that we know. Okay, and c can be written as like this. So the frequency will remain same, but the wavelength will get changed. Okay, so this will be the c n into lambda naught. Okay, so let's put up these two value in this key concept. Okay, so the mu is equal to c by v, जानते हैं हम c की जगह रखेंगे n into lambda naught divided by n इंटू लेमडा. ठीक है, ये n से n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, हमारे पास क्या बचेगा, लेमडा नॉट बचेगा बाई लेमडा बचेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, हम बोल सकते हैं म्यू जो है इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है लेमडा के. इसका क्या मतलब है, अब हम यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्या है, लेमडा है. अब हम जानते हैं कि अपेरेंट डेप्थ इज इक्वल टू apparent depth can be calculated as real depth by mu. Real depth, sorry, real depth by mu here. Okay, so we know that the apparent depth will also be inversely proportional to the mu. So what we'll write here? So we'll write it as in a simple form like AD, apparent depth. Okay, so it is inversely proportional to the 1 by mu here. So apparent depth is inversely proportional to 1 by mu. So from this equation, suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. इन दोनों इक्वेशन से हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि अपेरेंट डेप्थ किसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा, क्योंकि ये तो सेम है, म्यू रखेंगे यहाँ पे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ऊपर चला जाएगा. तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि अपेरेंट डेप्थ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाता है आपका वेवलेंथ के. तो इसका मतलब क्या, यहाँ से हम कंक्लूजन निकालेंगे कि जितना ज़्यादा वेवलेंथ होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा क्या होगा, एपरेंट डेप्थ होगा, और उतना ही कम क्या होगा, ऑब्जेक्ट रेज्ड होगा. ठीक है, तो चलिए लिखते हैं यहाँ पे द वैल्यू द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेवलेंथ wavelength greater the apparent depth and the least object raised object raised. So what we can say here, so we can say we have concluded from this equation, the two equations, and we have found the AD, or we can say the apparent depth is directly proportional to the lambda. And after that we know that जितना ज़्यादा apparent depth होगा उतना ही कम क्या होगा, ऑब्जेक्ट रेज करेगा. तो हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि कौन सा इसमें से लिस्ट रेज्ड है. जानते हैं, हम जानते हैं कि लिम्डा रेड कलर का क्या होता है, सबसे ज्यादा होता है, और वी कैन से द वेवलेंथ of lambda of red color is maximum or greater, then we can say it will be having the least object raised. Having least the object raised. So what we can say here, we can say the option 1 will be the right answer. So hope you understood it well. Best of luck.